This is a very important conference at two levels. One is, of course, the fact that you need to have this conversation on cybersecurity, which is completely lacking in India. And secondly, it is being done by a think tank, and you have all kinds of organizations. You have representatives of the intelligence community, you have representatives from government, at the practitioners level, you have representatives from the PM when you take India. Then you have the real global commissioners who actually are working on internet security, and you have the chairman of it all, Carl Bill, also is here. Now, the importance of this conference is that it cannot be understated at all, for the simple reason that even today, secretaries to government in our system and even very senior officials use very insecure means of communication, including Gmail and Hotmail, to communicate with one another, and that probably is a problem with NIC itself. But beyond that, it is very important from that rudimentary level to also talk about how much impact cybersecurity can have on various walks of life. And I think it's very apt that it is being held in Bangalore, held by Synergia, because Bangalore is a city known as the IT capital of India, and it is also extremely relevant that all the companies or the major companies who are into IT itself, IT software itself, are represented here, and they've come in large numbers to make sure that they give their own perspectives. And banks, I mean, I think financial sector is something that we neglect when you talk about a cybersecurity kind of conference, because it's more to do with government, just to go to intelligence, and it has to do with generally about regulators and not about the end users. It is very refreshing to see the chairman of a bank sitting here, representatives from other banks coming here and not talking about the issues that they faced and the way they surmounted it. Talking about Synergia itself, I think it's extremely important to have think tanks of this nature, which not only preach but also take the practitioner line of things. Here we have a lot of practitioners, we have a lot of theorists, and we also have people at the cutting edge. I think these three components are essential for any conference to succeed. I think this is a great addition to the global conversations that are going on, and every single session that I have attended, every single session, speakers who have been represented here are top of the line, top of the class, and have come thoroughly prepared and have made their points clear. And I think this kind of organization like Synergia is ideally placed to handhold the link between the corporate world on one hand and the government on the other hand, to ensure cybersecurity for all, for corporates, for government, and for to make life much more comfortable.